Jeff Keenan here. One of the great features of the Rivian R1T is a built-in air compressor. It really works well and fast for airing up the tires. One of the annoying things about the air compressor is the door stays open. It gets flipped up by the air at highway speeds and then it doesn't close on its own. So someone developed a lock that fits into the gear guard cable slot. Not only does it hold the door securely shut, it also locks it in. When the vehicle's locked, it'll activate the gear guard lock and no one will be able to open this door. And when you approach the vehicle and it's unlocked, it'll pull right out. If you have a 3D printer, you can print this out real easily. I didn't even need to use support. And it was complete in about a half an hour. I'll put a link where you can download the STL file to print one out yourself. There's also some people selling them on Amazon. If you don't have a 3D printer, that may be the way to go. And when you install this, it activates the gear guard. The LED light flashes, so if someone was trying to tamper with it, it'd probably trigger the alarm. That's a great find. Fix one of the little annoying issues with the Rivian R1T. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Rivian, Tesla, Wi-Fi, and tech products.